So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara and here I do a lot of lifestyle contents. So if you like more of these videos, kindly please subscribe down below and don't forget to turn on your bells so you don't miss any of my tips and tricks and hacks on everything lifestyle. So today's video we are going to do a spring twist as the title suggests. So yeah, so that's it. So let's get to how I prepped the spring twist and how I installed. So I'm going to cut there. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use depending on the size that you want, the thicker the pieces of hair you get, the thicker the spring twists are going to be. So I'm going to take that much and I'm going to like fluff it out. I want as much hair as possible. So that is the piece that we have. And I have already prepped where I'm going to do my twists, and I'm going to do them here. I just attached 2 strings. So this is our braid. I'm going to put it there like so. So this is my right hand, and this is my left hand. You're going to use our right hand to take the braid down, then you're going to twist as you go. As you go on, the right hand has to come down like that. Do not pull, do not twist, just layer them on top of each other. Don't strain the braid, it won't come out as spring as you want it to be. So just layer it as you go. So this is what we want at the end of it. You can choose to go as thin as you'd like or as thick as you'd like. This is the kind of size that I'm going with. So let's do another one. Fluff the braid out. Your right hand down, then just continue twisting. Don't pull, just layer them on top of each other, and don't twist the hair as you go by, just layer them. So that is another one. So I'm going to do this for almost 1.5 pack. Then we are going to crochet them on our hair. For me, I want to get rid of this curl that comes with the hair as much as possible.
So this is the crochet needle that I used. It has a latch and has a hook, so you just pass it through your hair. You just first close, pass it through your hair, open the hook, insert the loop of the hair, then close, then just pull, and that's it. It's pretty simple. So if you don't know how to crochet, maybe I could do another video on how to crochet your hair. The front part, this is how I crochet the front part. As you could see, I didn't put a lot of it here because my edges, again, we are protecting our edges. So this is how the my front hairline looks like. I try to come as close as possible as to the edge, as you could see, and I skipped quite a bit of like how many, there were 20 contours, and actually never filled each contour with a spring twist, I'll say. So this is how the outcome came. This method because, one, I couldn't hack how to do spring twist with my long hair. It was a bit of a hassle and that video never went up, so I opted to do crochet method, and I'm pretty amazed with how it turned out. Very clean finishing. I love how it came out. So done like a professional. This was my first time doing everything except for the cornrows. Thank you so much for doing my cornrows. She knows herself. So this is how the hair turned out. It's very simple, though it takes a lot of time. If you're a beginner, that is. For me, it took me about 1 hour 30 minutes to do this. So that is everything: the prepping of the spring twist and the crocheting.